Dance battle, you or AI? Welcome to the world of dancing characters with free Viggle AI. Go to Viggle AI. And click Join the Beta on Discord, which is free and unlimited. How to mix a character into a motion video? In the left panel, you'll see available rooms. Choose any of them. 2. Mix a character into a motion video. Type /mix in the channel and hit enter. Upload an image of a character or a real photo. Then, upload a video under 30 seconds with a minimum resolution of 720 pixels. Choose a background, either white or green. Turn fine-tune on and hit enter. Click on the inbox icon at the top right corner of the page and search for Viggle AI. Hit the jump button to view your creation. Impressive, right? Now, hit download to save it to your device. Animate any character. In the prompt box, type /animate and hit enter. Upload an image of a character. In the motion prompt box, type your own motion prompt or use a prompt template from the prompt section in the Discord. Here, you'll find a collection of prompt templates representing unique actions or body movements. You can also get prompts from the Viggle website. Just copy and paste the prompt into Discord. Paste here. Choose a background, either white or green. Turn fine-tune on and let the magic happen. Let's see how it turned out. Wow. With a little editing and high-quality images, you can achieve even better results. Happy animating! Thank you for joining me on this animation journey. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting tutorials. See you in the next video.